You're watching ABC 7 News at noon.
Time to head back over to the kitchen and check in with John, who is with Chef Andrea from Cha-Cha Coconuts. Hi, guys.
Thank you, Emily. Yes, indeed. Andrea, welcome back to the show. It's always a pleasure
so
to have
happy
you.
to be here.
Always a pleasure to have you here. And you're cooking up something today that's probably good for Super Bowl and just for any time. But particularly, I think you're thinking Super Bowl here.
It would be great for any party. The wonderful thing about this dish is you can make it in advance.
So tell us what you're adding
So
here.
we've got cream cheese. We've got chopped spinach.
Okay.
We want to try to get that combined really good. The deal behind the cream cheese is get it to room temperature.
Okay.
We're going to add a little bit of garlic. What dish isn't great without garlic?
You're not kidding.
We're adding some Columbia seasoning. If you don't have that, salt and pepper works just fine.
Okay.
Basil. We've got oregano, parsley. And work on combining it still.
And this is an item that you're going to be serving this weekend, is that right?
Yes, at the Taste of St. Armands. We'll be there.
It's always a fun event.
Absolutely.
Yep.
We'll have this, and we'll have our voodoo ribs. I just added some mayo.
Okay.
And then we're going to continue to combine it. And then once you've got it combined pretty good, we're going to add our crab meat. So now if you don't like crab meat, if you don't like shrimp, you can do one or the other. But we're doing a ½ pound of crab, a ¼ pound of shrimp.
What grade of crab meat do you have to add to this dish?
So we use claw, but you can kind of use whatever you want.
Yeah. Okay.
And then when it comes to the shrimp, we use the tiny shrimp, but if you can't find tiny shrimp, then buy big ones, boil them, and chop them up into bite-sized pieces.
There you go. But you're using the good stuff in this one.
Yes, we are. We
right.
only use the good stuff. We're going to transfer this over into an oven-safe dish.
Oven safe, so this is getting baked.
Oh, yes, it is.
Oh,
and that's why
nice.
it's great. You can get it to this point, pop it in the fridge until your guests are about to show up, put it in the oven for 30 minutes at 350.
Okay.
But see, we're not done yet, though. We're going to top it with some crispy goodness. We have panko breadcrumbs, and we have some Romano cheese. Add a little bit of olive oil.
That's what I'm talking about.
Combine it. And then we're going to just sprinkle it on top.
So that gives it a little sharpness, too.
Exactly. And then the olive oil is going to give it a little bit of crispierness to it. And like I said, at that point, you're just going to bake it.
And that's so easy.
It's so easy. So when you come to Cha-Cha's, this is the Cha-Cha's portion.
Okay.
And so you serve it with tortilla chips. You could do it with veggies. You could do crackers. You've got lots of options to serve it with.
Oh, that sounds great. Absolutely wonderful. And this is on the menu at Cha-Cha's, then, so you can have it there. And I'm sure you're going to do a few covers for Super Bowl, so it's probably going to be very busy.
We've got 6 TVs. We'll be doing lots of Super Bowl specials. It should be lots of fun.
Oh, it looks absolutely great. I think it's worthy to note, and we should mention that Cha-Cha's is celebrating an anniversary, right?
Yes, it's our 30th year to be on St. Armands Circle. We're so proud to be part of the Sarasota community.
Yeah, that's amazing, actually, for a restaurant to survive that long and still be thriving.
Yes.
is pretty remarkable. So congratulations.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thanks for coming in today.
Thank you for having me.
We shall be right back. Going in.